Alright, so you want Starcraft 2 Wings of Liberty to play skirmish. I'm going to show you how to do that in this setup. For the first two programs that you're going to need are WinRAR and uTorrent. The second are the map pack, the skirmish map pack, the crack for the AI in the skirmish, and then the reloaded version. I'll post the links in the description below. So let us begin. So first what we're going to do is go to Pirate Bay. Type in Starcraft 2 Reloaded. Go for the most obvious, most seeders. Then type in the map pack. Go for map pack 01. Again, I'll put these links in the description. And then last and not least, type in Starcraft 2 Skirmish. And you will go for the third link. These amount of seeders may be different for you at some point when you start the setup. There are instructions here, but I will clarify them. So after you do all that, the first thing that you'll get is the game itself, and you'll have either a WinRAR archive file, or if you're using PowerISO, you'll have the image and you'll just have to mount it up. I already took the liberty in extracting this. These are the contents, and I've already placed it in a different folder. So we're going to set this aside, and we're going to open it up. And see, this is the game right here. The contents have like Starcraft 2, the batch file, and some other files. So what we're going to do first is we're going to run the installer. Some window may appear for me saying that I'm missing certain files. It won't happen for you, but like for the first time, it'll just be like straightforward. But for me, since I've installed and reinstalled this a couple times, it may say that I'm missing a couple things. Also, you need to memorize where you saved the game and hit OK. See, this is what I was talking about. So all I have to do is just hit install. And when you get this window, instead of hitting activate, just hit skip. Notice that my internet is still on. So I will see you all when I come back, or at least when this finishes. And we are back, and we're just about to be finished with this setup. And we are done. So what you're going to do now is pay very close attention. Hit the arrow, and the minute you see this window, bam, close it. So you're going to close the installer window. This is your installer window, so you're going to put this aside. Now, oh wait, no. Excuse me, you still need this. Now what you're going to do, right click on the Starcraft and go to open file location. Slide it like that. Select both the update file folder and the update batch file. Copy it and paste it here into the place where you have Starcraft 2 saved. After that, you're gonna run the update batch file, and you're gonna see like a little thing pop up here. There it is. And you're gonna let it do its thing. It shouldn't take too long. It should probably take like 4 or 5 minutes. Well, roughly. but since I'm on a new laptop, or for anyone who has like a very like well built laptop, it shouldn't take too long. At the end of this video, I'll show my system specs if anybody is interested in seeing that. We're just about to be done here. And we're done. Now after you do that, you're going to select the BattleNet, the support, and the versions file. You're going to copy it, and you're going to paste it. And you're going to get this window asking you to, if you want to merge them. What you're going to do is you're going to click on this down here and hit yes. And then you're going to get this to copy and replace. What you're going to do is you're going to click on do this for the next 6 conflicts. Select copy and replace. And after you're done with that, you can close both windows. Now you can set this aside. Now you're going to open the Starcraft 2 skirmish cracked folder. Going to go into Razor 1911, yeah. And you're going to run Starcraft 2 copy execution. You're going to be asked if you want to run it, yes or no. And you're going to have some nice music to jam to for a couple seconds. Also, if you download the Starcraft 2 cracked file and you don't happen to have the Razor 1911 file in it, if you don't, please leave your email in the comments below and I will be happy to email it to you. So we're done here. The next step is to extract the Starcraft 2 all-in-one setup, but I already took the liberty of doing it. Mainly everything that is here minus the 1911 is from this one file. So what you're gonna do after you finish, you are going to right click on this, make a shortcut, send it to your desktop, close it out, and we're done with this file right here. If you want to, which I will do, rename it to Starcraft 2. Now, for the map section, there's going to be nothing here for now in the documents folder for Starcraft 2. What you're going to do is you're going to double click and you're going to get a window right here saying that you don't have any maps. See, no maps are found, and now the file was made. So what you're going to do is you're going to add maps from folder, see if it works. There we go. You're going to go to desktop, and then you're going to select Starcraft 2 map pack 01. And you're going to get the Starcraft 2 map files copied 10. And there they are. Then I will make a separate video because I don't have fraps, because I don't like the way it works. I will show you all these functions here, like see, you can select the difficulty of the AI that you want to play on. There's various maps. You can save your replays, see the maps are saved here, replays are saved there. Yeah. And if you want to play the story, can always run the very exact game, but I mean, mainly what makes Starcraft good is just how you play or what you play in Starcraft, and everything is different. Well, I hope you enjoyed the setup. Now I will show you proof that it actually works. So let's get to it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I will show you physical proof that the setup that we just did just now really works. And it's actual physical proof, like through a camera. Some people lack in showing this. So what you're going to do is you're going to pick a map. After I raise the brightness a little bit, you're going to pick a map. Let's see, one that I didn't see before. This one. Okay, so it's a 1v1. We're going to pick a difficulty. Zerg player. Let's play as yellow. What position? I'll take 1. Take 2. The speed. Play it fast. Free for all team. Free for all. Okay, what you're gonna do is hit start and then just chill back and relax. Normally for the other maps, I believe that it'll be different because this map was created on, what's it called, Starcraft 2 map editor. I'm not too sure. So this should start up any minute now. Oh, it says, and here we are.
We require more minerals.
Get this one to come out. We're gonna follow this little guy. And there you have it. Let's follow this guy around a little bit. See if I actually, oh! I guess we found the motherland. Yep. And we will conclude this video with a congratulations, you have now installed Starcraft 2 skirmish and you are now playing. Just be aware that the multiplayer is not enabled, but if you're interested in playing Starcraft 2, or not really Starcraft, but Starcraft Brood War, but you want to improve your macro or micro mechanics, you can try playing on Game Ranger with Starcraft Brood War, which I'll make a later video on how to make this setup and be able to play Starcraft Brood War on Game Ranger. Well, this is the conclusion, so enjoy StarCraft and keep on macroing.